0.45. I want to change this to a rational number. It is a rational number. I want to change it to fraction form. So this is a terminating decimal. So it's not a repeating with a pattern. It is terminating. So this is much quicker to convert. Um, this is 4 tenths plus 5 hundredths. 4 tenths and 5 hundredths. And then I need a common denominator. So I'll multiply the 4 tenths times 10 over 10. So that is 40 hundredths plus 5 hundredths, which is 45 hundredths. Okay. You also can just read that directly from the number. Look at the place value of the last number in the decimal. So 5 is in the hundredths place. So this is 45 hundredths.